Time Traveler presents Cosmic Journey. Get ready! What type of galaxy is the Milky Way? Elliptical, spiral, or irregular? It's a spiral. What force keeps planets in orbit around the Sun? Gravity, magnetism, or radiation? Gravity! What is the main component of the Sun? Helium, hydrogen, or carbon? Hydrogen is correct. Which planet has a day longer than its year? Mercury, Venus, or Mars? Venus's day lasts 243 Earth days. What is the closest star to Earth? Proxima Centauri, Alpha Centauri, or Sol? Sol, our Sun, is the closest star. Which space telescope was launched in 1990 and is still operational? James Webb, Hubble, or Spitzer? It's the Hubble. What is the name of the first rover to land on Mars? Sojourner, Opportunity, or Curiosity? The first lander on Mars was Sojourner. Which planet rotates on its side? Uranus, Neptune, or Pluto? Uranus is the tipsy one. Who was the first woman in space? Sally Ride, Valentina Tereshkova, or Mae Jemison? It was Valentina Tereshkova in 1963. Which planet is closest in size to Earth? Mars, Venus, or Neptune? Venus, with a diameter of 7,521 miles. What is the name of the first space station? Mir, Skylab, or Salyut 1? It's Salyut 1 in 1971. What is the name of the first space probe to fly by Pluto? Voyager 1, New Horizons, or Pioneer 10? New Horizons in 2015. You're doing great! What type of star is the Sun? Red dwarf, white dwarf, or yellow dwarf? Yellow dwarf is right. Who was the first American to orbit the Earth? Neil Armstrong, John Glenn, or Alan Shepard? John Glenn in Friendship 7. Which planet is known as the morning star? Venus, Mars, or Mercury? Venus is called the morning star. What is the name of the nearest galaxy to the Milky Way? Triangulum, Andromeda, or Pinwheel? Andromeda, at 2.5 million light-years. Which planet has the fastest winds in the solar system? Neptune, Saturn, or Uranus? Neptune at 1,200 miles per hour. What is the name of the first human-made object to reach space? Vostok 1, Sputnik 1, or V2 rocket? V2 rocket, launched in 1944 at Peenemünde. What is the most common type of star in the Milky Way? Red dwarf, yellow dwarf, or white dwarf? Red dwarfs represent around 75% of all stars. What is the term for the boundary around a black hole? Event horizon, Schwarzschild radius, or singularity? The event horizon. What is the name of the first satellite launched by the United States? Sputnik 1, Vanguard 1, or Explorer 1? Explorer 1, in 1958. Who was the second person to walk on the moon? Michael Collins, Buzz Aldrin, or Pete Conrad? It was Buzz Aldrin. You got this! What is the term for a system of two stars orbiting each other? Binary star, dual star, or twin star? Binary star is right. Which space shuttle tragically disintegrated upon re-entry in 2003? Challenger, Discovery, or Columbia? It was Columbia! Which moon is the largest in the solar system? Ganymede, Titan, or Callisto? It's Ganymede with a diameter of 3,270 miles. What is the name of the first human-made satellite to orbit another planet? Venera 7, Mariner 9, or Viking 1? Mariner 9 orbited Mars in 1971. What is the name of the brightest star in the night sky? Betelgeuse, Sirius, or Vega? Sirius, the dog star. Which planet has a moon with a thick atmosphere? Saturn, Jupiter, or Neptune? Saturn's moon Titan has a thick atmosphere. Who was the first African-American woman in space? Sally Ride, Mae Jemison, or Guion Bluford? Mae Jemison, Space Shuttle Endeavour, in 1992. What is the term for the point in an orbit closest to the Earth? Apogee, perigee, or apsis? It's perigee. Keep going! Which space shuttle completed the most missions? Atlantis, Endeavour, or Discovery? Discovery, with 39 missions under its belt. What is the name of the dwarf planet located in the asteroid belt? Ceres, Eris, or Maka Maka? Ceres, the first known asteroid discovered in 1801. Which mission was the first to successfully land on Mars? Viking 1, Mariner 9, or Opportunity? Viking 1 landed on Mars in 1976. What is the name of the first spacecraft to reach interstellar space? Voyager 2, Pioneer 10, or Voyager 1? Voyager 1 flew beyond the heliopause, entering interstellar space in 2012. What is the name of the largest asteroid in the solar system? Vesta, Pallas, or Ceres? Ceres, with a diameter of 939.4 kilometers. What is the name of the first American to perform a spacewalk? Buzz Aldrin, Ed White, or Jim Lovell? Ed White, tragically killed in the fire on Apollo 1. Which spacecraft was the first to land on the far side of the Moon? Luna 2, Chang'e 4, or Surveyor 1? China's Chang'e 4 landed in the Von Karman crater. What is the term for the apparent backward motion of planets as seen from Earth? Retrograde motion, prograde motion, or parallax? Retrograde motion is correct. Which star is known as the North Star? Vega, Sirius, or Polaris? Polaris is the North Star. Almost there! What is the name of the telescope set to succeed the Hubble Space Telescope? Spitzer, James Webb, or Chandra? James Webb, sending back great stuff since 2022. Which moon is known to have liquid oceans beneath its icy surface? Europa, Callisto, or Io? Europa, the ocean is thought to be 40 to 100 miles deep. What is the term for the boundary between the Earth's atmosphere and outer space? Kármán line, Armstrong line, or Van Allen belt? The Kármán line. You're close now! Which planet has the slowest rotation? Uranus, Mercury, or Venus? Venus is the slowpoke. What is the name of the first American space station? Skylab, Mir, or ISS? Skylab, built by McDonnell Douglas. What is the name of the first successful flyby of another planet? Voyager 1, Mariner 2, or Pioneer 10? Mariner 2 flew by Venus on December 14, 1962. Which planet is known for having a hexagonal storm at its pole? Saturn, Jupiter, or Neptune? Saturn, fluid dynamics in the atmosphere most likely. What is the name of the first spacecraft to land on an asteroid? Hayabusa, OSIRIS-REx, or Near Shoemaker? Near landed on Eros in 2001. Which planet has the largest tilt in its axis? Neptune, Uranus, or Venus? Uranus with a tilt of 97.7 degrees. What is the name of the closest black hole to Earth? Sagittarius A, Cygnus X1, or Gaia BH1? Currently, Gaia BH1 at 1,560 light-years. Which space probe was the first to land on a comet? Rosetta, Deep Impact, or Giotto? Rosetta landed on comet Churyumov-Gerasimenko in 2014. Thanks for watching! Let us know how you did in the comments below. And please like and subscribe for more fun quizzes.